Miss Smith, are you okay? Class already started. Everything blooms in spring, even a pencil in our teacher's hair. In today's class, we'll be making a birdhouse. You need to use a special technique and maximum effort. Miss Smith isn't afraid of hard work. Each bird will get a house no matter what it takes. Phew! Done! Is that it? Cut 2 pieces along a cardboard template, a bigger one and a smaller one. Assemble 2 boxes shaped like houses. Cut a round hole on the bigger piece. Glue in a pencil sharpener and join the halves of the birdhouse. Color it. Glue a cardboard roof on top. This is the tiniest birdhouse ever! Only one little bird the size of a pencil can fit inside. But Miss Smith is still proud of her work. Alex feels like a third wheel at this spring festival of love. I can impress a girl too. Look, I grew unusual flowers from pencils. Cut a strip of foam paper into fringe. Wrap it up into a tassel and fasten with hot glue to make a flower. Glue the flower to a pencil. Color the pencil with acrylic paint. Make a few flower pencils. Alex makes a whole path out of unusual flowers. All girls love flowers and surprises. But it turns out that not only girls love flowers, someone else assembled the bouquet first. Alex, the bouquet idea is great. Here, I picked all these unusual flowers for you. Let's spend the spring together. Bro, you really helped me out. Thanks! These flowers are so beautiful! These aren't actually flowers. These are my spring pencils. Whoa! It's a whole set of pencils. Even the pencils are blooming this spring. I have to be 100% ready for college. I just need to pick out a perfect pencil case. This one? They are all wrong. So where am I supposed to store my school supplies this spring? Don't be sad. I have a great case made from fresh leaves. Cut 2 leaves out of felt. Glue them on one side and glue a green zipper on the other side. Cut a leaf vein from lighter felt. Attach the vein to both sides of the case. Whoa! This pencil case was made by forest elves. It's perfect for this spring. Wow! Everyone who loves nature loves my leaf case. Hey, that's a nice green case. Spring is so nice. The whole world is green and growing. Look, there's grass even on the tiles. I need to post it to my Insta story right now. This is a city miracle. This is actually my notebook, you guys. Coat the cover of a notebook with green acrylic paint. Fold a strip of foam paper in half and cut it to make fringe. Cut each side at an angle and glue the strip in 2 layers. Make it look like grass. Make a few strips and glue the grass on the notebook so it overlaps. This isn't the concrete jungle growing. This is my green notebook. Fresh grass calms me down. My roommate always forgets to water her plants. These cactuses are obviously thirsty. I'll save you, poor green spiky boys. Drink up. Turn the water off. You don't need to water this cactus. Wow! Wrap the cap of a white-out bottle in light clay. Shape a cactus. Put the white-out in a little paper cup. Fill the cup with crumpled foil. Decorate the foil with black felt. Color the clay with green acrylic paint. Also paint the cup. Add spikes using a thin brush and blue paint. Decorate with flowers. Now that's unexpected! White-out disguised as a cactus. I have never seen a cactus that can fix mistakes before. Whoa! Can I keep this white-out in my cactus collection? And you can water the plants. I really want to impress my date. I got you this sakura branch. Why did you do that? We need to protect nature. You're a villain. Don't jump to conclusions. This is just a marker. Cut straws of different sizes into pieces. Glue the pieces to a marker. Shape a branch. Paint the piece with brown acrylic paint. Cut a flower out of foam paper. Add details with acrylic paint. Shape it. Make a lot of flowers and glue them to the branch. Whoa! You're a real magician! Wow. You turned a blooming sakura branch into a pink marker. Here's another miracle. I have a special notebook with encrypted flower code. Put a template with flowers onto the margins of a notebook. Trace the flowers with a white pencil. Take a notebook and color the margins with a marker. Whoa! This sakura marker leaves flowers. Wow! This is the best bouquet I've ever gotten. Thanks! Aw, just look at those two! Collegiate spring romance! So cute! Alex made a mistake in his notes. Easier on the eraser, buddy! You'll make a hole! There you go! Now I have a black hole in my notebook! Don't worry, Alex! I have a helper for you! This is a bird eraser! Trace a template of a bird on an eraser. Cut it out with a utility knife. Draw an eye and a wing with a permanent marker. Stick feathers into the tail. The bird easily erases all mistakes with its beak and sweeps away the trash with the tail. Alex, keep it! My bird is flying to the rescue! Whoa! These butterflies on your head are so cute! How did you lure them in? There's no secret here! These are my spring paper clips! Attach colored paper clips to decorative butterflies. Use hot glue. These butterflies not only make my hair look cute, they can also fasten my report. Spring is in the air! Did you like our school supplies? Then comment below what you'll make this spring. A white-out cactus, a birdhouse pencil sharpener, or a grass notebook. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new spring school supplies from Troom.